Sir, order niyo po. Sir?
In-fair kay Kuya. Cutie!
Uy, bro! Oh, basta. Ikaw ang kamusta? Okay lang ako, ikaw.
Really, Rafi? Mas straight pa yan sa flagpole ng Luneta, no?
Okay, sige, ingat. Ingat.
Pinipicturean niya ba ako? Makapag-post nga.
Look at those lips. Sana straw na lang ako. Ay! Fail!
Hindi naman siya masyadong obvious, no?
He's here again. Wow, shoulders. Perfect to lean on. Rafi, behave.
Brown sugar milk tea, 100% sugar for Rafi.
With additional pearl and pudding.
Yes.
Thank you.
The usual, miss. 100% sugar.
100% sugar? Wow, sweet pala siya. Ano ba, Rafi? Sabi na, behave. OMG, ang cute ng smile niya.
Obi, bro! Uy!
Close call yun, ah.
Ay, nag-blush siya? Baka pwede. Pero bakit parang nailang siya?
I'll just introduce myself. Wala namang masama eh. But am I willing to risk this? Ano na lang sasabihin ng mga office mates ko? If they find out, maybe they won't take me seriously. I guess I'll have to talk to him to find out.
Nasaan na kaya siya? First time in a few days na hindi siya nag-milk tea. Maybe I drove him away. Thank you. Yung holding hands yun, I'm sure. Kasi naman.
Sir, order niyo po, sir. Sir, order niyo po.
2 brown sugar milk teas with additional pearl and pudding. 100% sugar.
Mine?
Yours.